What happens when you combine water, film canisters, and a fizzy tablet? The Orlando Science Center says it makes one of their favorite science experiments called a pop rocket. Meteorologist Eric Burse is figuring out how it all works in today's Science of It.
Hey there, welcome to the Orlando Science Center and the Science of It, joined by Crystal here from the Orlando Science Center. And Crystal, we have kind of an interesting experiment you want to run today.
Yes, it's one of our favorite experiments. Everyone loves it of all ages. It is called our pop rocket experiment. So we've got a few ingredients and materials here. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Starting with water.
Okay.
All the best experiments use water. All right, and then we have these little film canisters here that doesn't have to be a film canister, it just has to be cylinder about this size with a lid that can snap on.
I was going to say, like,
the lid is important.
Where do we find film canisters?
Yeah, who knows? I don't even know where we found these. And then we also have some fizzy tablets.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a key ingredient.
It could be like Alka-Seltzer or something like that.
Yeah, anything like that that's gonna fizz. So let's just see why they call it a fizzy tablet, shall we?
So we're putting it in with water. And the idea, if you're using this like to help your stomach settle, it's kind of just working through the stomach fluid.
Yes, so what's happening is this, this is something that has sodium carbonate, which is a base, and citric acid, which is an acid. So when we put it in the water, it created a acid-base reaction. And that is producing carbon dioxide bubbles, which is why we see those bubbles. So when we have an upset tummy, it actually helps to neutralize. It's usually because it's just too much acid in the tummy. It's helping to neutralize that acid and make us feel better.
Perfect.
For us, we're just gonna play with it.
Yeah, we just want to see what else it can do,
The question is, what will happen if we put a lid on this?
Okay. And contain that reaction.
Yes, so we want to contain it. We're gonna start by using our middle canister here, which is filled about halfway with water. And we're going to, real quickly, I'm gonna spread these out so it's got a little bit more space. We're going to put this in and quickly contain it with a lid and then flip it upside down.
Perfect, let's do it.
Now notice it's about equal parts of water and air. All right.
Do we need goggles? Okay, all right, goggles coming on. Oh, okay.
There we go.
As she says we need goggles as it's about to do its thing,
Let's put these puppies
Okay, yeah,
on.
let's be safe.
Safety first, I always say. Okay, so that was a nice, fun little pop.
We saw it definitely make some sort of reaction, right?
So the way it worked was we put the fizzy tablets in here, which generated the carbon dioxide. And then that built pressure. So Newton's third law of motion says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Love it.
You got it, you know it.
Nerd.
So the pressure pushed the air down, causing the canister to shoot opposite way up.
So now let's change those dynamics and go a little more water, less air.
We're gonna check that out. So more water, less air. This one I have to be fast.
Okay.
So.
It's expanding, it's expanding.
Oh,
okay.
There it is.
Less
so
ammunition.
Look, it's still even there. That was kind of fun.
Love that, yeah.
So it was less of a pop, less of a jump.
So then based on this, I would suspect you put one of those tablets in with very little water and most of that air, we're going to see a little bit more of a show.
Hopefully.
Okay.
Yes. So we've got a lot higher volume of air in here. So I've got my tablet. Now this might take a few more seconds, but we're gonna see how it goes. Are we ready?
Let's do it. Sealed, signed, delivered. And we're waiting. Oh, you can see it. Oh, wow.
There it is.
That was like 20 feet in the air.
That was great.
Very cool. All right.
Yeah.
So we learned about adding pressure, which as a weather guy, I love that. These kinds of events, these kinds of experiments, always running here at the Orlando Science Center. So you can come on down to the Orlando Science Center, or if you want to learn more information, you can just head over to the website.
Yep, osc.org, and go to our education and events area, and you can see where we're going to be. Sometimes we're out in the public. Every day we're here, so just come on by.
Love it. Very good. Thank you very much, Crystal, and thank you for joining us for the Science of It.
If you'd like to see what other cool stuff is happening at the Orlando Science Center, it's open every day from 10 to 5, except on Wednesdays.